Hey guys, I just played one round of Clash of Clans. No, not Clash of Clans, Clash Royale. And I won the first one, but I was gonna die on the second one. So yeah, I did die on the second one. He already had one tower down on me and I haven't hit him once, so yeah, but I have a pretty good team. I have Mini P.E.K.K.A, Giant, Valkyrie, and Lightning. If you play that game, comment down below if you play that game. Yeah, I'm gonna do a flip. And I messed up. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. What do you mean? I don't know how. I really want to prop my phone up somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. This should hold it.